Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing some Welfit wheelwell and in this video we're going to be unboxing some Welfit wheel well covers for Ford Transit dually models. Let's get into it. All right, well, the first thing you're going to notice is just how big this box is. But as we get into it, you're going to see that the product isn't quite that big. They just put it in a pretty big box. As I open this, like you can kind of see, like it doesn't take up the whole box. I mean, it's actually not too bad. So these, like I mentioned at the intro, these are for Transit dually models. So kind of rare in the Transit. It's really if you get that 350 HD trim, I believe you can get the dual rear wheels or the dually option on those vans. These do not have holes in them for like tying into existing holes. So these are meant to be slid underneath the floor and behind a wall liner or panel or something like that. So no hardware needed to attach these. They just kind of sit underneath and in between a wall and some type of a panel. Now in terms of material, we do have kind of like a plasticky, rubberized, textured, tactile material on the top. Just going to cut down on any of your dings and all that on your wheel wells, because those kind of protrude out into the cargo space. And then on the back side, it's kind of this fibery, reminds me of a car interior panel. And so potentially some insulation benefit in there as well. But you could also slip in some kill mat or some of those other kind of insulation products behind here as well. So pretty simple unboxing here, pretty simple product. This is again for those dually models, no hardware required, but because of that, you want to make sure that you have a floor or something to hold this in place because it does not attach to the van. Now, if you're looking for these wheel well covers or any other equipment to get your van or truck ready for work, we've got what you need at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.